decided to go to New York for my birthday. I wore this black dress, these black heels, and me, my sisters, and my mom, we went to this restaurant called Blend on the Water. It was such a nice restaurant, and we had drinks. I had salmon. We had some really good appetizers, some croquette, and some lobster, something with lobster. And this is me walking back to the car, and I didn't get to do an official intro, so I was like, let me just do a little voiceover so you guys can get a little intro. So in the next clip, I start the vlog. Hi guys, so today is, I think it's August 8th, and I decided I'm gonna make a vlog because I'm in New York with my family. I decided to come here for my birthday, and I was like, let me just do a little vlog. I've been here since July 30th. So today I decided I'm gonna do a little vlog, and at the end of the vlog I'll add like what I did for my birthday and like little things that I did that I didn't vlog, which I should have, because I did some fun things. So I decided I'm bringing you guys along with me right now. Me, my sister, my mom, and my nephew, we're going on like a little boat ride. I don't know where it goes. It's like a little ferry. But yeah, I'll show y'all the views. Got to do a little OOTD. So I'm wearing this little, I don't even know what you would call it, a cardigan? I don't know. And then I'm wearing this little tan dress, some sandals. I was gonna put my hair down, but this New York heat is like on another level. Like Florida's hot, but New York in the summertime, it's like it's hell or something. But yes, so here's my mom and my nephew. So we made it to where the ferry boards. Here are the views. I think that's the Brooklyn Bridge. We just have to wait here a little bit for the next ferry. They pass like every hour or so. Today is gonna be a vlog day. So right now I am currently, I don't know where the lighting is, probably can't see me, but it's probably better this way. So we're gonna have a family day. We're gonna go to Governor's Island and just hang out there. It feels really nice today. The last couple days that I've been here, it's been super hot. I have not been wanting to go out, but today feels pretty chill. So I'm with my sisters and my nephew and my mom. So yeah, guys, let me put my bag down so y'all can see my dress. So my dress is from Fashion Nova. My sandals, I got them a couple of years ago. I don't remember where, but I know it was in New York. But yeah, and makeup by me. Look at the little details. Try to do a little purple eyeliner, you know. But I'll catch you guys when we get there. To Governor's Island. Well, the ferry that takes us to Governor's Island. Excusez-moi. Mâchez. Your bag is like hitting him in the head. That other foot is walking on his tippy toe. I think mommy made that shoe too tight. I got her a chicken burrito. What's your favorite? So we made it to the island, Governor's Island. We just ordered tacos from the spot that I showed you guys. I got a fish taco. Yeah, it's so pretty. I got a fish taco. My sister got a fish sandwich, and I'll show you guys the food that we get when it gets here. Imagine eu me tomber. for my vlog.
Oh, you're doing a vlog? For your YouTube?
Mm-hmm.
Hands up, hands up. Joel, Billy. Joel, Joel. Joel.
It's the texture. He's like, whoa.
Get up, get up.
No, let him play with it. Just like he did with Medna Bushli.
This is what he did last time.
I tried to get some good points in my vlog, but I was trying to be in the moment. So thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in my next vlog. Outside.